the AMA has concluded no penalties necessary. Now, this is for two separate things. In the 250 side of things, it was between Pierce Brown and Joe Shimoda for jumping on a red light. And in the 450 main, it was regarding Eli Tomac, Ken Roczen, and Cooper Webb for jumping over the start-finish line with a red cross flag shown. Now, obviously, two different situations, two different 250, 450 sides of the thing, both of them affecting Honda. And it's going to get a little wordy because I'm going to read you this from the actual press release, or whatever you want to call it. 250 class direction review. Quote, during the race, a warning light, also referred to as a single red lead-in light, was displayed in accordance with standard race procedures. When the warning light is shown, riders are alerted of a future obstacle being shut down. However, the presence of the warning light alone does not prohibit riders from executing jumps unless accompanied by additional flag signals or directives indicated otherwise. After a thorough review by race direction, it has been confirmed that all 250 riders remained in compliance with the rules. Since the warning light was displayed and not supplementary signals were issued to restrict jumping, riders were permitted to maintain race pace and execute jumps through the section. As a result, no penalties have been assessed to any riders in the 250 class regarding the situation. Now, for Joe, obviously, he saw a red light, he rolled a double, he rolled a start-finish line. He ended up losing his, 3-second lead over Pierce Brown, who ended up winning. And to play devil's advocate here, this was like 10 minutes before the race was over. So he had plenty of time to recatch Pierce Brown and also take first back. But still, for him, he's finishing second instead of first. There's a loss of points, loss of a bonus. On a personal side of things, it's a money, it's a, stats thing. But apparently they don't care about that. Now, on the 450 side of things, you have the complete opposite side of things. You have a red cross flag being shown and riders jumping on said red cross flag and nobody getting any penalties for that. With the 450 class race direction review saying, quote, a separate situation occurred during the 450 main event involving a red cross flag being displayed at the finish line stand. At the time of the incident, no corresponding red lights or red cross flags were illuminated in the section leading into the jump. Following a comprehensive review, race direction determined there was no blatant violation of the red cross rule 1.6.14, E.6. Riders were already committed to the jump without a visible warning light to reasonably signal the restricted condition prior to takeoff. Given the absence of illuminated red lights and the lack of advanced visual indication before the rider commitment, officials concluded that these circumstances did not warrant penalties. As a result, no penalties have been assessed to any rider in the 450 class regarding this situation. Now, if you're Honda, this really screws you. I mean, not in the super way, but when you consider, one, from the 250 side of things, Joe Shimoda, instead of getting, or if maybe, hypothetically, getting first place, having a point lead, whatever. And then on the 450 side of things, while Hunter Lawrence did end up getting his first 450 win, correct me if I'm wrong about that, he did get the win, and he still, I guess you can say, stretched his point lead from, I think it was 1 coming into Arlington to now 4. I mean, it's not a huge thing, but Honda's mad about this, and rightfully so. If you're on both sides of this situation, one has a red light being shown and no penalties, one has a red cross flag being shown and no penalties, and both situations, your competitors end up gaining from this. It's, for them as a team, obviously they're going to be mad about this, and they already have their own thing. We're going to go look in every available avenue possible. How many ways can we say we're going to try and fight this to get some points back or get points taken away from people? But it's an interesting situation. I mean, in two different red flag, red cross flag, red light, lead up lights, which if you were on the Moto Twitter kind of side of things, people apparently who have no idea what that even is, and it's the rule book, or I put the rule up for you, you can read it if you want, but it's just how can you have both these situations showing two different things and neither one of them requires a penalty, even though there's people jumping on flags when that's supposedly a very much no-no? But that's where I'm going to leave you guys. Comment down below. Tell me what you think. Should there be penalties? Should there not be? Is it just Honda being mad because it happened to them on both accounts? Whatever it is, comment down below. Tell me what you think. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe. Do all the fun things this platform allows you to do, because it does really help me out, and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.